Alright, hello and welcome back. This will be part 13. Hopefully this is the last part here on Blood Island. The objective here is to get the ring from the crypt and get the lighthouse going. And apparently to get the to get the ring from the crypt, you need a drink. Let's just see which one. I need a drink that kills me. Okay, it doesn't say a drink apparently that kills you, but the cure that we have should not be mixed with alcohol, so let's order something with alcohol.
What was that?
Just get me the ingredients for a hangover remedy and I'll talk to you.
What? Did we open the wrong save? You should already have the remedy. Yeah, okay. Sorry about that. Still the same thing as the same objective. Let's get an alcoholic drink.
I'd like a drink, please.
Right.
What? I didn't get to order.
I'm off to explore the rustic charms of Blood Island. That makes the drink oh so much more appealing. It just occurred to me that mixing medicine and alcohol is a really stupid and possibly lethal thing to do.
Yeah, but that's the
If I were
point.
a real person instead of a lovably inept cartoon character with the potential for a few more sequels, I wouldn't even consider it. Skull! That's odd. It's supposed to cause drowsiness. I don't feel the least bit drowsy.
Okay.
In fact, I feel,
Great, you feel great.
So then the Undertaker says, I wanted to be a pallbearer, but I couldn't stop coughing.
You crack me up, Mort.
So what's with the new guy?
Oh, he's been like that for an hour now. Passed out cold. He'll come around.
I don't know. I'm pretty sure he's dead.
Worst bartender
I
ever.
guess that's the end of the game, then.
What with him being the main character and all. Funny. I didn't think you could die in LucasArts adventure games.
Well, maybe they're trying something different.
When I should take care of him?
Would you? It's bad for business, having him just lie there.
Don't have a business. Ah,
Rest in
perfect.
peace and all that.
Okay, how do I get out?
Hey!
It'd be fun if this was the end.
I'm not really dead! Oh, come on, cut it out. can't use the mallet with that.
Am I in this coffin or this coffin?
It won't open. I'm trapped. Yikes. Where's that telltale pounding coming from? It's coming from within one of these coffins.
Which
From
one?
the dead. The dead that surround me. They must know my horrible secret. They'll never let me rest until I've paid for the wrongs I've committed against. Wait a second. I don't have a horrible secret. I can't use the chisel with that.
Open it and get the ring.
Phew, I'm glad to be finally out of that
Who are
thing,
you?
even though it was a spacious, comfortable model with plenty of leg and headroom. Well, hello there. Say, you look familiar.
Yes, well,
Of course! Guybrush Threepwood. You're the one who locked me in there in the first place.
well, you see, I've been meaning to...
No, I won't hear of it. That was the best time of my life. Gave me plenty of time to think, you know? To think about the things that really matter. I don't know if you've considered this, son, but live burials are not an altogether uncommon experience here in the Caribbean.
I wasn't aware of that.
Not to mention pirate raids and deadly sea battles, huge man-eating reptiles, dangerous quicksand pits, trigger-happy duelists, and of course, those pesky undead. Have you ever thought of what would happen to your loved ones should this gruesome fate befall you?
You want to
No,
sell
but-
insurance?
Well, of
Is that
course,
it?
you have plenty of time to think about it. Or do you? I'm one of the lucky ones. I've been dead. It's given me a whole new perspective on life. A life that I'm going to devote to making sure people's life insurance needs are
Yeah.
met. Here, take one of my business cards I've had made up.
If you've been locked in that coffin, how are you able to have business cards made?
Now's not the time to worry about the technicalities.
What have you
son.
been eating?
Now's the time to ask yourself, are you covered? Run along now and let me set up my office.
We're trapped in here. The door's locked.
Nonsense! This is one of Stan's cozy crypts, all equipped with a patented secure lock release mechanism. Just jiggle the handle there.
We don't want to get out. Am I in the wrong crypt?
No. That guy was so bloated he burst his coffin. I don't need a rotten corpse. I think I need coverage right now.
Now hold on just a minute there, son. Give me a chance to get the office set up. Run along now.
Could
I don't want
almost
to carry
use a
around
skull.
any skulls I don't
Oh.
know.
Okay, maybe we know how to open the other crypt now. He just told you how to open it, right?
It's locked. I can't use the magnet with that. I can't use the chisel with that. I can't use the mallet with that. I've got a mallet and a nail. This will be perfect as soon as I find something to use them with. I've got a mallet and a nail. This will be perfect as soon as I find something to use them with. I can't use the nail with that. I've poked holes in the lid of the jar.
We'll need that later, but still, how do I get in here? He didn't help me at all. Should I have found the key in here?
I I wonder where their bodies are. I wonder where the spider that spun that web is. I don't want to know what happened here. Ooh, spooky. It's creepy. Another skeleton arm. It's Stan. I think I need coverage right now.
Give me a chance to get the office set up. Run along now.
Well, this didn't work out as I was hoping for. I thought we'd get into the right crypt, get the ring, and get out. But I'm in the wrong crypt, and I need a key for the other crypt, and I don't know where to get it from. There must be some point to this. Why did I go here? Why is this included in the game? There must be something here that I need.
It says Tex Venture. The Good Soup Family Crypt.
Why did I need to die for this? I don't understand.
The Good Soup Family Crypt. Nah. It's locked. The magic wand has no effect on that. I can't use the skeleton arm. Fortune telling won't. I don't think he'd like that.
What can I give him? Maybe he has the key.
I don't think he'd like that. That doesn't need to be augured. I can't use the chisel with that. I can't use the mallet with that. I've got a mallet and a nail. This will be perfect as soon as I find something to use them with. I can't use the nail with that.
Can the key be in here, maybe? That's what I'm thinking.
I already have enough skeletal appendages. I don't want that. How morbid.
Maybe the skeleton in the hotel has the key on him, but I need more nails then. Ah, Stan has opened his office.
Welcome back to Mutual of Stan.
You've convinced me. I want to buy some insurance.
A wise choice, and one you won't soon regret. The question isn't whether or not you can afford to buy an insurance policy, it's whether you can afford not to. Speaking of which, can you afford to buy an insurance policy?
Well, how much does it cost?
Oh, that depends on a variety of factors. How much coverage you need, how much you're willing to spend, all sorts
Stop
of highly
doing that with your
complicated
arms.
sliding scale insurance equations and such. But I won't bore you with all that. Just let me ask you this. How much money do you have?
Well, I've got these wooden nickels.
I see. Maybe I've confused you somewhere along the line. While nothing would please me more to send you out of here, with the peace of mind that your family will be provided for in the unlikely event of your death, I have to run a business here. If you can't at least show me some collateral, I can't give you a policy.
This authentic pirate relic. A genuine tooth from an actual pirate. Only one of its kind.
Is that real gold?
The finest known to man. Not much spit on it either anymore.
Now you're starting to speak my language. All right, let's find a coverage
Is that a
plan
mistake?
suits your needs. And you can rest assured that you've provided for your family well after your unfortunate departure.
What are the terms of this plan exactly?
It's quite simple, son. When you die, whoever holds that policy gets a lot of money.
A lot of money? Wow.
Wow is right. Now I want you to be careful out there.
Okay, I will. Thanks.
No, I'm serious. I want you to be very, very careful.
Will do.
Okay, I still have this. Let's try and die again. I'm still thinking that bed up there, upstairs,
Hi,
we
guys.
need to nail it
I
down.
guess you'll be wondering how I came to be back from the dead. No questions for the dead guy come back to life? No questions like, is there life after death or is there a heaven? Will there be adequate parking? Fine, be that way. I wouldn't tell you about the hereafter if you begged me. I thought if I died, I'd be buried with your aunt.
Well, isn't it obvious? You can't be buried in the Good Soup family crypt unless you're a member of the Good Soup family.
Member of the family, huh? Uncle Griswold, it's me! Don't you recognize me?
Recognize you? I've never seen you before in my life. What is your name?
Split pea with ham.
Split pea with ham?
Actually, my name is P. Hamilton Good Soup. Split's just a nickname.
I don't recall having any relatives with that name.
I could just talk about Good Soup history all day.
Well, this is a wonderful chance for us to catch up on old times, what? Remember when our family first sailed onto Blood Island?
Do I? I still get goosebumps at the thought of it.
Ah, yes. When was that again?
733?
1433?
2?
No. I can't believe someone of the Good Soup bloodline could be so ignorant of our family's heritage.
I'm off to explore the
Okay, I
rustic
need
charms of Blood Island.
information. I'm certain it's upstairs, but I need to nail down that bed. And for that, I need more nails.
Minerva Stronheim Good Soup, Baroness of Borscht. It's nailed to the wall.
Hey, my chisel is gone. Oh, okay, here it is.
I can't use the chisel with that. I can't use the magnet with that.
What is the magnet for then?
That doesn't need to be augured. I can't use the nail with that. I've got a mallet and a nail. This will be perfect as soon as I find something to use them with. I can't use the mallet with that. I don't want to pin that. I don't want to cut that. They're nailed to the wall. They're nailed to the wall. It's nailed to the wall. It's nailed to the wall. I can't use the chisel with that. I can't use the chisel.
Okay.
It's so musty that I don't want to open it up. I'm sure there's nothing in there except one of those hotel Bibles. Ugh, it's an old-fashioned water carafe. It looks out over the cemetery. Creepy. One nail will never be enough to hold down this
I
bed.
know. But how then?
There's no light.
Okay, apparently they're dead. How do I open it?
I can't use the nail with that. I've poked holes in the lid of the jar.
Yeah, but I want to open it.
I don't want to lubricate that.
Ah, okay, it worked.
The fireflies will escape. They're trapped inside and glowing like mad. The lighthouse is working now.
Okay, seriously, we need to figure out how to get the nails. Let's think. What do we need? We need a crowbar. Or a hammer. Where can we get that? Let's go back. Wait.
Welcome back
No,
to
I don't want to talk to
Mutual
you.
of Stan.
This one. How didn't I realize that?
I'm not sure if that's strong enough to hold it. I might need one more nail.
So annoying he is.
There. The bed has been nailed down. That ought to do it.
No, maybe he has the key.
Wow. I'll bet his room charges are pretty hefty by now. Looks comfortable. Wow. I'll bet his room charges are pretty hefty by now.
Do I need to read the book or can I just talk to him and it will solve itself? Let's try. I'm lazy.
I could just talk about Good Soup history all day.
How about that first fateful journey made to the Caribbean?
Oh, you mean the one that... Baron Salmon Bisque de Good Soup began in 1621?
Exactly. He landed on Scab Island with just a spoon and a dream. In just 4 short years, he had formed the largest chain of all soup restaurants in the Western Hemisphere. By 1635, he had driven the entire Van Salad family out of the Caribbean and had a restaurant empire that spanned the globe.
Actually, the Van Salads were not driven out until 1637, and the Good Soup chain of restaurants and resorts never did become popular in the South Pacific.
Yes, we are. Oh, all right. Whatever. Well, son, it looks like you were right. Welcome back to the glorious name of Good Soup.
I'm, honored.
And as a Good Soup, you're welcome to every benefit the name provides. Instant prestige around Blood Island. A 10% discount at any of the Good Soup resorts in the Caribbean. And, of course, medical, dental, and a 401k.
Oh,
And
nice.
the best thing of all, if you should happen to drop dead, you will be buried in the extravagant Good Soup family crypt.
Nice.
It's as if all my dreams have come true. I'd like a drink, please.
Coming right up.
Here we go again. Let's get the money and the ring.
Oh,
The insurance
dear.
guy has to give me his
He's
money
had a
now.
sudden and completely unexpected relapse of death.
Ah, this guy will
Ah,
get the
and
money,
just
right?
as we were
He's the
getting
closest
reacquainted,
kin.
As his kinsman, it is my duty to give him a proper burial. It is my solemn vow. The youthful P. Hamilton Good Soup shall be buried in the Good Soup family crypt.
All right.
Well, this is a shitty thing to do. Grave robbing.
Ominous. It's a memorial plaque for Minnie Stroney Good Soup.
Ah, minestrone.
Yikes.
Can I have your ring?
Oh, hello there.
Go into the light.
If only it were that easy. I'm afraid I can never leave this crypt until I marry. Are you attached?
Engaged, actually.
What a shame. You sure have pretty eyes.
Hey, nice ring.
Oh,
Was it something I said?
I hate this ring.
Can I
It's
have
been
it?
passed down from mother to daughter in the Good Soup family for generations.
I'm a
It was
good
to be
suit.
my wedding ring until that evil pirate stole the diamond and left me. Left me here to die of a broken heart.
Where's the diamond for your ring?
It's gone. He took it.
Who took it?
My love, my honey cakes, my widow schnoobums, my LeChuck.
LeChuck is your schnoobums?
He pried the diamond from its satin during the rehearsal dinner. Oh, what a fool I was. He told me he was taking it out to get some fresh air.
Where did LeChuck take the diamond?
Skull
Cad,
Island.
the
Huh?
fiend. He sold it to the smugglers of Skull Island. It's just so humiliating. I could just die.
Since you're, not using it, can I have your engagement band?
This ring will remain on my finger
Oh.
until I have a wedding band to replace it.
I can give you the cursed one.
This is just a shade too creepy for me. I'm leaving.
Don't I have the Elaine's ring with me? Where did it go? Didn't I take off the ring from her hand? Ooh, bad memory from my side. I used this with on Elaine and took off the ring, right?
Morbid.
No. Tastefully done.
Ah, seriously, where did I put her ring? Did it fly off when I took it off? Such bad memory.
Hi.
Hello again, handsome.
How do I get out of this crypt?
There's no way out of this crypt for either of us. I must haunt this lonely tomb until I've married a man I truly love. And you can't leave because the door's locked.
I'll just check back in with you later. It's locked. There's no way out. It goes out to the cemetery. The chisel is too small to work on these bars. I can't use the mallet with that. That doesn't need to be augured.
The chisel is too small. So what can I use instead?
I can't use the umbrella with that. I don't want to cut that. I don't want to pin that. I can't use the skeleton. I can't use the magnet with that. That doesn't need to be lathered up. I don't want to lubricate.
I'm just guessing here.
The doggy treats won't do any good with that. I can't use the measuring cup.
Yeah, I'm just guessing now.
My mask of tofu won't do anything here. The magic wand has no effect on that. I can't use a balloon with that. I can't use the cork with that. No. Fortune telling won't work with that. Ominous.
Okay, I didn't notice there was another way here. Crowbar. And who was that? Oh, not you again. How did you get here?
Oh, I'm not going to do that again. I think I broke my skull. I'm all skull.
It's your own fault. Stop scaring me like that.
So I did scare you? Really?
Well, startled is more like it.
Oh,
But startled in a terrified kind of way. You really are very, very scary.
don't talk down to me.
I really don't have any choice.
Yeah, exactly.
So you get out of that crypt. Does this mean that you're dead?
No, I was only faking.
Darn. I thought together we could walk among the living and spawn a new wave of terror throughout the Caribbean.
So what you're saying is that you only love me for my legs.
Something like that.
The good soup.
Good soup is food. The crowbar won't work on solid I can't use the mallet with... It would take forever to chisel my way out of here.
Hey!
Can I throw him through the crack?
Murray, say something scary.
Boo! I am a fearsome skull! I don't think it's working, Guybrush.
Hey, mister! Help!
What? Who's there? Who said that? Who's scaring poor old Mort, the gravedigger?
There's been a horrifying mistake. I've been buried alive in the Good Soup family crypt.
All right. This joke has gone far enough. You kids should be ashamed of yourselves.
It's no joke. I'm really trapped in here.
Crazy kids with your long hair and your Baroque music. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me.
You must love horror stories to own all these collectibles.
Reading fantastic stories about the dead helps me keep my mind off my work.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
This isn't a trick. I'm really trapped in this crypt. I drank a special potion that put me into a coma. Thinking I was dead, they buried me in this crypt.
Yeah, right. They did that in the book. Never trade lunches with a corpse. If you kids ever came up with an original idea, I might believe you.
Just come and look at me through this crack.
Oh, sure. I turn my back to the door and you thieving little hoodlums will sneak up from behind and tie me up. I read all about your sinister ways in my horror novels, so nothing doing.
Why are you wasting your money on all this bad fiction?
At least my bad fiction doesn't require over $1,000 in hardware.
I see your point. Let me out of this crypt!
I'm not falling for your tricks this time. Just leave me alone and let me read my horror novels.
Curses, you've seen through my web of deceit. I'm no ordinary man trapped in a crypt.
Well, what are you then?
I seek the golden rods of Cathan to bring peace to the Shire.
Do you bear the mark of Tixblick? The chosen one foretold by the scrolls of the third shadow?
I was hoping you wouldn't ask. What I meant to say was... I'm an angry and deranged ghost haunting this crypt.
Then let me see you appear before me.
Excuse me?
If you were a real spirit, you could materialize in a ghostly form.
Oh
It's
my
all in the
God.
books. Well, let's see it.
Isn't the ominous sound of my disembodied voice proof enough? I guess not. Fear me. I'm an evil ghost.
Then go ahead. Show your ghastly visage.
I can't. I'm shy.
You're no ghost.
I'm gonna go sulk in the darkness now.
Have a good time.
Let's just use the crowbar at the door.
Even with this crowbar, I wouldn't be strong enough to pry this thick gate open.
Oh, then what am I supposed to do? I can ask her to scare him, maybe.
Hi.
Hello again, handsome.
Well, that's not an option.
I'll just check back in with you later. Looks like minestrone, delicately seasoned with cobwebs and mouse knuckles. No, really, I couldn't. I'm full. That doesn't need to be augured. Fortune telling won't work with that. I don't think that would be interested in a bit. I can't see where the arm is going from here. I bet that would really give him the creeps, but I can't
Yeah.
reach him.
Ah, just throw it in.
I've got it.
Hey, what happened to the light?
Well, where's my arm?
I can't shed any light on that. I can't shed any light on that. I don't think he'd like that. I can't shed any light on that. I can't shed any light on that.
Where did my skeleton arm go? Did I seriously lose the arm just because I used the skeleton arm to get the lantern? Or is the lantern connected to it now?
I can't shed any light on that. It's me again, the guy who isn't trapped in the Good Soup family crypt.
What do you want?
I'm going to haunt you until you set me free.
So you say you're a ghost.
Sure I am. Can't you see my ghostly form on the wall behind you?
That? That's not the form of a vicious, tortured spirit from beyond the grave. Now, there's a picture of a ghost in my copy of Mask of the
Oh
Red
my God.
Blood. Huge, hollow eyes.
If I get out of here, I will
Toothy,
stab him.
remorseless grin. Glowing inner fire. That's what a ghost looks like. You got the silhouette of a doofy pencil-neck boy.
I'm gonna go sulk in the darkness now. Alas, I can't use Murray with that. Alas, I can't use Murray. Alas, I can't use. Alas, I can't use Murray with that. Murray, do your stuff.
Okay. Ah!
Mortal fool! Release me from this wretched tomb! I must be set free, or I will haunt you forever! I will hide your keys beneath the cushions of your upholstered furniture! And never more will you be able to find socks that match!
That's
All
scary.
right, hang on. I'm coming.
Great work, Murray.
I was terrifying, wasn't I? My demonic powers have made me omnipotent!
Uh-oh. Looks like the lantern ran out of oil.
There. It's open. Now shuffle off and give me peace.
It's useless now that it's out of oil. Well, Murray, are you ready to continue our heady adventuring? Murray? Where'd he go?
I don't remember what I did with the ring.
It's Elaine's finger, ready for a new ring.
Yeah, but where did the old ring go if I don't have it? Did I lose it, or where is it? Well, we're gonna save here for this part, and next time we'll figure out how to get the ring from the ghost. We have to find the old ring first to trade, and then we'll go to the beach to get the ferry to Skull Island, I guess. So thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye for now.